Hey you guys, welcome back to my dead channel. It's been a lot going on lately. I done had school, I got a lot of work to do, but y'all ain't here for none of that. Y'all here to lose some weight. So today I'll be giving you guys 3 common myths or misconceptions about keto and debunking them. Because y'all don't need to be listening to lies. So if you guys like this video, comment down below. Tell me you want me to keep going with this series and I'll keep uploading. Tell me if you don't like it. Because, I ain't gonna keep doing these videos for nothing. Common misconception about keto number 1. You can go on and off of this diet. Now you may be wondering, who thinks you can just jump on and off of keto? Well, actually, a lot of y'all think that. You know, you get into your first week of keto, you like, okay, I'm gonna lose some weight. I ain't had bread in a week. I ain't had sugar in a week. You know, it's the weekend. I deserve some bread. I deserve some sugar. I'm gonna tell y'all now. No, you don't. You're just gonna throw yourself off. I wouldn't recommend cheating. Well, I didn't cheat for the first year, the whole first year. And honestly, that will help you in the end. It'll help you stay more consistent with your diet. And you're not necessarily going to yield results if you're going from eating a baked chicken breast and broccoli one day to eating Popeyes the next day. I mean, y'all know that don't work. Y'all know. So try to be consistent with this diet. Keto is not just something you can jump on and jump off of. If anything, you'll just be confusing your body, because you know what you really want to focus on is keeping a low carb count. And elevating one day, decreasing your carbs the next day is just not going to help you. Common misconception number 2. You can't eat fruits and vegetables. I remember when I was starting a diet and there was a girl in my class that was like, I don't see how y'all can do keto. I mean, your body needs fruits and vegetables. Keto is not a no carb diet. It is a low carb diet. So you're keeping your carbs low, ideally between 20 grams of carbs or lower. It's not completely omitting carbs. However, you guys do have to pay attention to which fruits and veggies you're eating, of course. You want to completely avoid starchy vegetables whatsoever, like carrots, and probably other examples online of that. And you want to keep out fruits that have high sugars. Now, you need fiber in your diet. So, of course, you're not getting rid of veggies and fruits in keto. You just have to watch which ones you eat. A couple examples of good vegetables that you can eat that are high in fiber are cauliflower, broccoli, zucchini, peppers, and the list goes on. Just avoid starchy vegetables. And when it comes to fruits, you can have certain fruits, but my rule is just to stay with the berries. Strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, blueberries, those are all okay as long as you are moderating your sugar. You're watching it, making sure that you're not eating the whole bag of strawberries or the whole basket of blueberries. But by no means does keto mean you let go of those things. Because you don't need it. Because with all that bacon and all the fats that you're eating, all the cheese that you're eating, you don't want to end up on that toilet. And the third misconception about keto is that you can only eat once a day. Now, even my mom got mixed up about this. She thought that intermittent fasting was a part of keto, and many people think that it is, but it's not. Intermittent fasting is basically focusing on not what you eat, but when you eat. So you're putting yourself on a schedule, and basically fasting is supposed to help your body burn fat. So a lot of people like to, pair intermittent fasting and keto together because keto is a fat burning diet. Now, this is not what you have to do, however. By no means are you limited to just eating once a day. As I said in the other video, I used to be just eating in my first couple of weeks or months in keto because I feel that your calorie count is not necessarily so important in the beginning months of keto. What you're trying to focus on is getting your carb count lower. You're trying to get a lower carb amount because that's what will get your body into ketosis, low carb amount, not a low calorie amount. However, you can start focusing on your calorie intake when you get closer to your goal weight. I feel like that's when you get deeper into keto. When you're just starting out, like I said, eat as much fat as you need to get full. Do not worry about the calories. Just worry about your carbs. And those are the 3 misconceptions about keto that I want to go over with you guys today so y'all aren't struggling. Let me know if you want to keep going with the series like I said before. And, subscribe if you feel like it. See y'all later, Keto Gang.